Hi, this is Rick at BibleBible.com, and I'm going to show you how to listen to audio samples of every audio Bible that we offer. We'll just pick this first category here, which happens to be the most popular, and then we'll just go ahead and pick this product here. And now you're on the product page. It has reviews. Right here it shows you what other people that have purchased this and actually commented about it, what they think about it. You can actually see pictures, bigger pictures here if you click on one of these, and you can actually add to cart and go ahead and purchase the product. Right here you have play audio samples, and so what we'll do is we'll just click on one of these.
Chapter 18. This is the word that came to Jeremiah from the Lord. Go down to the potter's house, and there I will give you my message.
There we go, and I went ahead and paused it. And basically, each one of these is a full chapter of the Bible. It runs from 2.5 to 4 minutes each, and you can really hear what the Bible sounds like. We do give you free shipping on all orders in the USA, 60-day money-back guarantee, and we also ship internationally around the world to 87 countries, and the shipping starts off at $8. We've been in business since 1998, and we've had over 67,879 customers.